Yes. Welcome back to the second segment of Imara Nation podcast. My name is Negus Imara, ladies and gentle G's. To the left of me, I have the legend. Yes, I did say legend. Gyalis in Paris.
Yeah, did.
Yeah. Comedian turned businessman. I am super proud of you, brother.
Appreciate it, bro.
And I am watching and learning. And a lot of you young men, I said it in the first segment, stop hating on who you should learn from. You will get further in life. Put away the bad mind, put away the ego. You don't know it all. You can learn from people who you don't even like. If you even have to like him, but you can learn from them. Gyalis in Paris. We see you got some man branch out now. And you've been selling oils for how many years now?
3 years.
3 years now, Gyalis been selling oils. You understand? And paying attention, it seems as if business is good, bro.
Business is awesome.
Bruh.
Very, very awesome.
As I said, watch a dog store them. Box on box on box on box. Everybody say racks on racks on racks. Gyalis song for say box on box on box. Be a box. Orders every day. Double-digit orders. You understand? Bro, what do we have here right here? What do we have right here?
All right, so right now, this is a top-selling one, right? To say, this
Top.
is Stars.
Stars.
This is actually the first original one. When when I go to Bamna try a thing,
Yeah.
and say, all right, I think I want to sell oils. This was the first one I ever made, and was like, all right, let me see how this does. And when I made them, it sold out the first day.
That is the one where I have like a baby blue color and look like it have glitter in it, but it's not glitter. It's stars. Personally picked out of the universe. You understand?
Yeah,
and I when we link up with the dog, the dog he give me a buckle. I mean, I tell her this. Slap. What do they know we have right there now?
The other one I know is a limited edition in a Mark scent.
Yo, Mark!
Yo!
Yo! Yeah, man.
As I say, this yeah, that's why it's red, because it's a Mark signature, the red bean.
Yeah.
So this one a special edition that not sell again. So this is very valuable right now.
Very valuable.
I'll leave it with you still.
Manners,
so
bro.
You can say you have it.
Manners.
Now I come back right now.
Damn.
Yeah.
Damn. So this is mine right here. You understand? And what the site of them can go on?
Parissense.com. So that's Paris, CENT.
Parissense.com.
Yeah.
You understand?
Link in my bio, man.
Yeah, link in the bio.
Yeah.
Gyalis in Paris page. You Instagram link in bio. So, bro, 3 years now as a businessman, how has the journey been?
The journey, all right. So the journey at first, it was very easy to pick up because basically I feel like I had an advantage because when I started it, I had a huge following.
Yeah.
You understand? So it wasn't really, I was already specializing in influencing. You understand? So that means my marketing was on point already. So it don't matter when we really sell, them there go.
It would move. Yeah.
So that's why I always tell people, I'm like, yo, when I'm giving advice, I still say, I'm just one person you can take some advice from, but at the end of the day, I can't really tell you, say, yo, let me in the trenches and all them something. Because when I first thought about doing it, I bought like 20 and sold out all 20 of them in Brooklyn alone. You see me? And if you're a business owner and you just start, most likely that's not going to happen right away.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? Yeah, you're going to have to put in a lot of work. But I literally was just... But at the same time, I was building up the suspense.
So you've been promoting for like...
I kind of was promoting before I even started the business, because remember, before me even sell it, I was just making my own fragrances and wearing it.
Word.
I'm going to shows and then people would be like, yo, like, what are you wearing? And I'm like, oh, I create my own. You know what I'm saying? I wear it. So I kept screenshotting when Pete, like if a fan would see me and they hug me or whatever, and then they go home and they're like, yo, I still smell your cologne on my shirt. Like, what is this? And I'm here like, oh, it's my own cologne. And this was happening frequently. So I would keep posting it.
Yeah.
And building up that suspense. So no, when I go to Bum and say, yo, I'm selling a cologne, and then them remember, I say, yo, I the same cologne where you always a post of people always talk about. And I'm like, yeah. So the hype was already on it. You know what I mean? And I'm somebody who I used to, when I was in college, I was going for business and marketing. So one of the classes that we had to take was psychology. So I know how people's mind think. Right. And I know a lot of marketing strategies that people wouldn't really think about, but it helps. And one thing you want to create is suspense, exclusive, and urgency. You understand? So that's why most of the time you will see, like, if you go up on a website and them have a sale, and you will see a timer in the corner where say, yo, in 10 seconds, the sale is available, but it's not. But that timer is literally, it's like it's a fake timer. It's to make you feel like you only have time. So the time that you would sit there and think, do I want to buy it right now?
Yeah.
Then boom, it make you, I figure buy it right now because you know what, it's only lasting right now, so I don't need to think about it anymore. So you create urgency. Another thing where you see people do is people always want to feel like they're being treated good, which is in anything. Yeah. So that's why even if I was selling this for $20, right? Yeah. I would put a price next to it for $35 and cross it out when it was never that. Because them feel like, you know? Yeah. So it's different things that I would use in my head. Like, I'm like, yo, all right, you know what? Let me see how I can make these people more comfortable buying from me. You know what I'm saying? And make them more intrigued. True. And it literally, it's not like it's a gimmick or anything like that. It's literally the reviews from people who make the business strive, because I don't ask people anything about when they get their product. They run back to me and tell me about the product. So that's how you know it's a good product. So that's why I even pursued it, because I'm not into scamming people or giving them something that they're not proud of. So the fact that so much people are so happy with it, that's what made me say, yo, let me really push this. And 60% of my customers are people who don't know who Gyalis in Paris is, which show you that it's mostly referrals. So people who smell it off of you, 60%. And say where you get that from. And they just give them the Instagram or the website, and that's what show you, say, yo, that's a good product. Facts. And then it comes with good marketing, because remember I said good marketing beat a good product any day. So if you have a good product and good marketing, you win.
That's facts. You know? I remember one time I told you I don't remember what part of Florida I was in. I was up like in North Florida though. And I was in Chipotle. And this white lady, she smelled what I got on that day. I was having lunch at Chipotle. I love Chipotle. Big up myself, Chipotle. And the woman said, excuse me, what do you have on? What's that? I'm like, I got my friend's oil on. She's like, what is it? I say, it's called Parisen. She was like, what? I'm like, hold on. I show her the page, same time, and she goes, boom, type it in. And she show me when she buy the blood clot aisle. I'm going to tell Gyalis, say, yo, brother, my white lady just buy some aisle, brother. For your husband. Yeah. That's how it works. That's when you know you got something good.
Word of mouth is the best promotion.
And brother, you have something good, brother. These oils, everywhere I go, because you know I travel for work, bro. Yeah. Everywhere I go, no cap. Everywhere I go, I get compliments, because I got to go in people's houses and business place. I'm not going to tell you what work I do, but I got to go in people's houses and business place. And when them smell me, can I make sure I say my double little to one of my ears? I'm going to put on my lotion. I'm going to say, I'm tipping on my hand, or up on my hand too. Rub it on my lotion. You understand? Yeah. Because, you know what I mean? A aisle, you don't really too want to go up on your clothes, like certain clothes we wear, certain colors and them thing there. Yeah. Just murder put it on my skin. And on my ears, right? That's up, boom, boom. Because you know when girl hug you. Gyalis, tell them which to put it. Because they want to feel like I'm capping, bro. Tell them which to put it. When the girl them hug your brethren, they want to send slap them in them nose, brother.
Hey, so you know, this is how you know, say.
Talk to them, my brother. What to them?
Yeah, this is how you know, say it bad, you know. But actually use it as a weapon, you know, man. Hey, listen one more time. You see how Bill Cosby drug pilling at people? Hey, You want to know, you know, hey, moves are, yo, I'm not post a video, you know, go
Yeah.
and see it, I know.
Listen, we're joking. We are joking.
I'm not joking. Listen to me. The reason why I'm saying that, I'm going to post it, fuck, but the reason why I'm saying that, is because the girl, them are going to know and say, oh, that's why I'm going to do more time.
Yeah.
What you know? What I usually do, like, let's say I always keep the little back there in my bag and everything. You see, this is how I know say the product bad.
Yeah.
You see, if me there, and in a party, I drink Hennessy and smoke my hookah in it, you see me? I see some girl walking where I know me, and then I go come over for a hug, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right, when I see them walking, I say, mad. I go, so bam, I rub it in my hand, right? The place where I rub it, I write this up on the shoulder, right? Because I know it's in them like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then down the side so that because, you know, them shot.
Mm-hmm.
So when them hug, I reach cross with the arm, which put the scent cross them face. You see me?
Pay attention.
Pull them in and hug them. So them always just say, yo, it's a church hug, but them don't even know see me I poison them. You see me? So by the time the hug done, I swear to you not, bro. Them all with them can't, that's the best thing. That's how you know say it good enough. Them can't just smell it and say to themselves, say, oh, that's my night. Them affy tell me, say, yo, you smell man good. I remember one time I was at the party like last week and my homeboys was there and they see me putting on the oil and they're like, you better go say hi to somebody. I'm like, yep. And then put on the aisle, go over there. I'm a hug when I'm a friend them. And she call her husband over. And she say, yo, baby, come here right now. And I'm like, She's like, yo, give me the oil you just put on a while ago. I'm here like, oh, yeah. I'm going to just make a sale. You see me? I say, yo, that's how you know. But I always trick them that way, their brother. Anytime I know say a girl, a father, or whatever, I just slap someone real quick. And it always fuck up them head. Them always dip on boom. Yo, what's this one name again?
Mm-hmm.
What's this one name again? I'm like, yo, I remember one time, this woman was say like my product good. I remember when we reach up, I remember go visit my mother. And she was like, yo. And she didn't know, because remember she didn't have on Instagram.
Yeah,
so the first time I first start off and sell it, my mother, I reach up my mother yard and she's like, Jermaine, you sell cologne? I'm like, yeah. I'm like, yeah, I forgot to tell you. Yeah, I do. And she's like, yeah, because one of my coworkers, this white dude.
Wow.
Because he's a fan as well. But he was like, yo, he's like, oh, because this is when I was living in New York. So he went to her and was like, oh, I see your son is in town and this and that. And then she was like, yeah, she's like, how you know? She's like, he just had a show last night, this and that.
Damn.
He's like, yo, I just bought one of his oils and this and that. And then she's like, his what? And he's like, yo, he's like, you don't know your son sell cologne? And she's like, what? I didn't know that. And then she came to me, she's like, yo, one of my white coworkers was like, yo, like he bought your fragrance and like he don't wear nothing else but it. And I'm like, remember, this is in the first year. So it's not even like it didn't reach so far yet. We didn't even have a website feed yet. You know what I'm saying?
Word. Oh, you were just setting off Instagram.
Yeah, just off Instagram alone. Yeah. So I'm here like, yo, that at them time I realized, yo, boy, you know what? Might find something, man. I might have figured something out there. You know what I'm saying? I was like, I need to take this serious. You know what I'm saying? First year, brother. Someone else I got good in that, brother. Timing is everything. You see, when COVID hit, and if I did not start that fragrance company, there would be no more Gyalis in Paris. I would not have. There was nothing. I would have to have started a new job. Remember, booking's done. Place locked. That's where all my money was coming from.
For real.
I wouldn't have. I quit my job in 2012. I never went back. So 2019, I've been without a job for how long? Making just money off shows and endorsements.
Because when time we did first link up around COVID time. Around COVID time. Yeah.
So and it's right before, you know what I'm saying, that I started this like a year before. Mm-hmm. So it was just great timing. And then, as I said, once I got the first house and I started taking it serious, you know what I'm saying? Because remember, I tell you that's I feel like with growth, you have to make yourself uncomfortable. So when youngster come to me and say, yo, if me and him want to get a house and everything, I'm going to say, all right, cool, we get a house and everything. But I wasn't making money like that. Yeah. But I did it just to put myself in a situation where my affy make more money. You see me? And ever since we get the house, the business thriving. The first year made 100 grand. First year. First year, brother. First year.
Young men, I like to talk to the young brothers, them, brother. From what day, I just talk to the young brothers, them. Young men, apply yourself. Please. He's not the first to do it, and he won't be the last. You just make sure that you are one of them. You hear me? He was not the first, and he's not going to be the last. You just make sure that you're one of them. And me, I tell you this. Me, I try to find something he can sell to.
Hey, it don't matter if you want to sell pencil, you can't sell it.
Brother. And when time we find what I sell, I'm gonna say, yo, Gyalis, but I big man levels, bro. Oh, it take me for approaches, bro. Because as much me keep.
Hey.
I'm telling you.
Hey, may I tell you something? You see, when it comes to business, dog, it's something about starting a business that matures you to a certain level. It's crazy. Because remember say me and Lincoln Tree that never did on good terms in the beginning of our careers. Right? We did, you know what I'm saying, kind of clash a little bit.
Yeah.
And then we squash it, however. When him starting business with Powerful and all them something.
Yeah.
Me I tell you, said this a brother, and everybody know Lincoln. Yeah, is it me?
Yeah.
One confident youth and him do things by himself. Like is it me? Like him have that boastiness about him. You see me? When I tell you, said this a youth here. Anytime him have some little advice or him find out a different hack, call my phone. Sometimes me just be on the book and however the man call my phone and say, brother, you know what I realize? I realize say you have to post a business every single day. Or if I one sale you get, post a business every single day, you will get something. Just always post it. And me I tell him, I say, yo, brother, you know, I realize the same thing. And the man say, yeah. Oh, and Ray this and that, and yo, you know, say if you do this pan taxes or whatever this and that, you can get back this and Ray, just remember me do that. And then me link you later. Boom. Star Dawkins in X call me and always that she say, yo, there's this dude who's an investor or whatever, this and that. And he was looking for like colognes or something. I told him about you. I gave him your number, this and that, so that because he's huge, like he can put your business on another level. You see me? Well, next time she called me and she was like, yo, I couldn't help but notice that you were shipping yourself. And she's like, you know, if you're working in your business, you can't work on your business. Just remember that. Hang up the phone. I'm gonna say bumbleclad. And me and somebody where just like I said, you can't walk around like you know everything.
Yeah.
Anything ask the youngster brother.
Yeah.
Every idea him ever give me. Him say, that's why I'm saying him rate me. Him say, yo, any advice or little sitting him tell me do it immediately. People give me advice, dog. I'm not somebody who feel like I know everything. I don't like walking around like I'm the king of it or anything like that. Yeah. I listen everything. I remember one time when homegirl was like, yo, you know, you should do a New Year's scent called champagne. But I mean, it's just an idea. New Year's coming in, she have to call me. And
I remember that scent.
Yeah. Is one of my friends who gave me the idea of putting out like limited edition scents. You know what I'm saying? Because she's like, yo, that creates urgency. It creates limit so that it will rush people to buy it and then you'll stop it. And next time you bring it in, brother, you have it open to taking advice and criticism. You would not be successful if you cannot hear what somebody is telling you.
True.
It's being open-minded. That's the only way you can be successful, dog. I swear to you. But that's what I'm showing you. It's like people who you feel like wouldn't have to come to you about nothing. Like they literally are giving me free information for nothing, dog. And it's like I appreciate them so much. You know what I'm saying? So it just comes with it's just different when you start a business. Your mindset becomes so different, and obstacles that you had to overcome. For some reason, you feel like you don't want nobody else go through it.
True.
So if like how you say you want to start a business,
me
I got the pan, yo, me need to make him know this. Like, I don't know why he just push off and say, yo, me want to make sure say him know, yo, do it this way for this way. Don't make this reach you.
I see what I was gonna comment on, because I never want to cut you, bro. I'm just saying this to show you. The man said, Lincoln, link him. Then the man said, Star, link him. And them type of people that me want to associate myself with, because I said, no found out this, Una art dirty. Una art stink. Una will never show somebody how to go through it easier and maneuver themselves the best of them ability. Me see one comedian girl, just hilarious. Like she said, you know what I mean? She want people to go through what she did go through. One video will go viral one time when she talk about business.
You
remember what I talk about?
Yeah, I know what
and
exactly what
I kind of understand what she does say, but at the end of the day, mama, When you drive through America and you see McDonald's and Burger King, they beside them one another almost every street them depend, you can win too. Just like you can make somebody else win in a life, you can continue win too. Them that I forgot you, my friends don't have to know to the stove at. They ain't gotta get burned. Me get burned, you ain't gotta get Gyalis, the stove at. Don't touch it.
Mm-hmm.
As some of you want my friend them come to me and say, yo, Negus, XYZ, yo, her. I'm gonna say, oh yeah, you know what? All right. Apply myself just like that. Yeah. Your art, everybody can make it, bro. Everybody can make it. And me I say it again. Stop hating on people you should be learning from.
Real thing, man.
The man said him and Lincoln relationship never up there, you know. Until them go to man squash it. Then Lincoln call him and then Star call him. Him friend them give him advice. Free advice. Mm-hmm. Some people you gotta pay for consultation. Right?
Yeah.
So you gotta pay for consultation. And him I get free consultation. He is Gyalis in Paris. Him friend, I'm assuming, don't have a platform like him. But what? He still listen. And what he did? He created urgency. Psychology, I got a psychology book. I started reading it. I read about 5 pages of that motherfucker and I put it down. I'm not going to cap. I read like 5. But I'm going to read back them 5 pages and read the rest of the book. Because I need to apply myself like, Gyalis in Paris, Lincoln, Star Dawkins, and all the other Jamaican people them in the Jamaican comedic space apply themselves. I want to be somebody as well. I'm somebody right now, but I want to show my abilities. That's what I should say. Mm-hmm. Stop, young men. Stop with the bag of gal. Gyalis, tell them.
Hey.
Apply themselves. Apply on yourself.
Apply yourself. Hey, listen. All right. Especially, that's why I'm glad to say I put emphasis on a young man, because if I knew this or if I had the mindset that I had now when I was a young man, the possibilities are endless.
You'd have been a millionaire.
Millionaire by now. You understand? And it's just, I can't stress it enough, man. Me link everybody, do you know crazy, you can't ask him. Link him and tell him and Voldemort. I'm going to tell him, I'm say, yo, right now, when I the artist thing on the internet, Jamaican crowd. I said, don't let this hype get to the head. I don't know, make it pass, because I see enough people with them are the artist thing, and they make it past them, and then them try and monetize it, and them page dead now, because them get comfortable and feel like them would have on top of your world forever. I say, when I have the engagement, when they need to do something for monetize it, for bringing the money, because Instagram not going to pay you now. You understand? So I said, don't make that pass you. If me didn't know that from morning, then a long time, we don't sell a cologne and all them something. I say, when my page was hot, I had to make my page hot again. You understand? So I just got lucky again because I just have the creativity. But some people don't have the creativity. So if them bus pan sitting and have a video with viral and then page active, they must monetize it. Because Instagram not gonna do that. And you're not gonna have people running for tell you that. So that's why I always appreciate from my story. And people always say me I go up on rants and you're always ranting. And I'm like, yo, but you acting like what I'm saying is not facts, bro. Some people never see the last one. I rant again and make no and say, yo, this is not the right way to think. You understand? Because me feel it for the people them where young and have time and now do the right thing. Because remember, you have some people where I don't want you to reach 38. I'm not 38 now. I don't want to think that I'm 30 now.
Neither am I. Yeah,
but
neither am I.
Me don't want you to reach when late and all them something and you realize that Jesus Christ, God, right now, me I learn some things when me I say, what? You could have do that when you're little youth, when you're 17, 16, and me I say, but long time everybody could have reached. And if you don't have parents or friends we can tell you that, you follow Gyalis in Paris, you gotta hear me. You gotta hear me tell you, say, yo, this and that. And that's why most of the time I like post my journey and thing. The wrong people, the people that have the wrong mindset, I go and like say, you're bossy or you're bragging.
Yes.
Right? When I first make, like, I think the first time I made like $5,000 in one day and I posted, and I wasn't getting like negative feedback. One of my friends them did say, yo, you sure you want to post that? I said, yo, listen, any idea? People are going to perceive it probably in a negative way, but the majority of people are going to see it and say, oh my God. You know what I'm saying? him can't do that,
I can do it too.
I can do it too. You understand?
That's motivation.
That's motivation. You understand? Me get motivated by Lincoln and Star when I see them business are flourish. I say, yo, why my business not make that much? And then I start push. And I realize, say, yo, it's possible as long as you see somebody else can do it. Sometimes that influence everybody quick for post fight and people life I go down a drain. But when you post something like that, them want to say, yo, and everything is supposed to post.
Exactly.
Why you posting this?
Why you never talk about when time the man post people are fight and people are get stabbed and all them something there. But you want to post, you want to talk down on success.
Yeah, and then if me show acts of kindness or whatever, cause remember me you can't drive past homeless people, you know. That's why I'm not like living at city with Wally for them, you know, cause me go broke.
Yeah.
And me always stop and I remember one time I recorded it or whatever, and they must say, yo, oh, how do you think he feel and stuff? I'm here like, do you understand that this person is begging another human for money, which means that his pride is out the window. He's not worried about you. We're worried about.
Yes.
You think you're worried about him being ashamed. He's been shamed.
Yes.
You understand? I know he has somebody here who is giving him, you know what I'm saying, money to do whatever he wants. You know, people have, you know, their mindset where they're like, oh, what if he buys drugs? I don't care if he buys drugs. He's a human. If he wants to have a moment of pleasure, he's homeless. He's going through his troubles. Why can't he have some drugs if he wants? Like, let him do what he wants to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man.
And I think that's the reason why Mayo click, brother, is because we have a similar mindset. When you do have people that post stuff like that for the wrong reasons, but I don't believe the majority is doing it for clout.
Yeah, bro.
All right, and even if they were doing it for clout, why couldn't it translate to them as I'm trying to motivate people to do
influence you? I'm an influencer.
Because you have people that disrespect the homeless and videotape it.
Yeah.
So why can't we videotape acts of kindness towards the homeless people and it not be a problem? You feel like individuals who do that are doing it for clout. I can guarantee you, Gyalis and Paris don't need to do that for clout. He can do a voiceover. He can do an original skit.
Exactly. You know what it is? You know what I know what it is? Are you
thinking straight?
You know what I know what it is?
What it is?
when a chip get licked, you know. The reason why them get vexed when them see certain things like that is because they know that they're incapable of showing such humanity. So they feel insecure that, you know what? This person has this power and he's using it for good, but I would never stop for somebody. So them kind of feel bad in that themselves and have to make it look like, say, you are doing something bad. Because as I said, if I leak a video of you talking shit about World Dog or World Dog talking shit about you, them want, yo, send me the video. But if me pull up and say, yo, you know what I'm saying, helping out, try and help somebody today, they'll be like, oh, if you're doing an act of kindness, you don't need to record it. No, you know that you don't have the kindness in your heart to do that. So you're insecure and you hate me for being a humanitarian. You understand? So you're insecure about it. You can't trick me. All right?
This is coming from somebody who studies human psychology.
Yeah, like I know how humans think, bro. Psychology was my favorite subject. I could call my mom right now. She has all my assignments stacked up because I used to get A+s through it. Psychology and speech, all those things, I love it. So when it comes to how humans think, I analyze.
Got it.
I can figure all y'all out. I figure you all out, and they hate that. You know what I'm saying? That's why when it comes to like zodiac signs and stuff like that, and
oh my God,
hey,
let's not even talk about those weirdos.
They get so pissed off because I'm giving you facts.
Yeah,
you get what I'm saying? And at the end of the day, they have to realize that this world is literally based on all theory.
Yes,
it's all theory. There's only a few facts, and a lot of things that you guys believe and go by and worship and everything like that is all theory.
All right, hold on. Hey, the dog finna get philosophical right now. You understand? We're going easy right now. You understand?
Get into
yo, I don't know say one nation and Imara nation. Yo, we will be right back. Make sure you stay tuned for the next segment because we're gonna split that segment up. I never know say that goes so long, but this is how you know when conversation is effortless.
Yeah, authentic.
Stay tuned. You don't know say one nation and Imara nation. Up.